Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Susanti with NPM 224-11106 from Management Class 22B. Here I will explain about homogeneity test. The homogeneity test aims to ensure that the set of data to be measured in that comes from a homogeneous sample population. Homogeneity calculations are carried out by research when they want to compare an attitude, intention, or behavioral variance in two population groups. Widiarso 2011. This population group has its own characteristics and characteristics such as age, gender, education, and others. For example, researchers went to measure stress in session in employees based on their gender. So there are two population groups, namely the male employee group and the female employee group. Before carrying out group comparison, research need to carry out a homogeneity test. Analysis can be carried out if the homogeneity test is met, namely that the entire population of male and female employees is homogeneous. Azwar said that in fact we may not carry out a homogeneity test provided that the number n of the population is the same in each group, that is, there is a balance in the population of male employees and female employees. For example, there are 50 male and female employees each. If the number n of the population in the two groups is not balanced, it's necessary to carry out a homogeneity test to ensure that the entire population is homogeneous. Example of homogeneity test. To enrich the research result, we can carry out a comparison test on two population groups measuring using the t-test and ANOVA. Previously, it was necessary to carry out a homogeneity test first to ensure that the data group came from the same sample. Example, to measure the stress level of employee in a textile factory. After the data is collected, it turns out that we can observe what data can be studied further by comparing to population groups. Statistically, the population being measured must be homogeneous so that the measurement results are valid and accurate. How to perform a homogeneity test? Levenet test. Levenet test is the most popular test and is often used to carry out homogeneity tests. According to Strike-Weather, Levenet test has the main aim of finding out the difference between two groups of data with different variance. The cancellation result of this test will show the significant value P of two different groups of data. A significant value P 0,05 indicates that the data group comes from a population with the same variance homogeneous. On the other hand, a significant value P 0,05 indicates that the data group comes from a population with different heterogeneous variance. So, measure your data result are homogeneous by having a significant value P lebih besar dari 0,05 on that data is confirmed to be homogeneous. You can continue to comparative analyzing using ANOVA or t-test. Step for carrying out Levenet test using SPSS according to Nuryadi et al. Enter the variable data that has been arranged in one column. After that, the first variable is entered. Continue with the second variable. Start from a blank line after the first variable. Create case coding by creating a new variable that has been labeled. Give label 1 to the first variable. Then give label 2 to the second variable. How to calculate Levenet test? Click Analyzing, click Descriptive Statistic, click Employee, enter the variable to be calculated in the Dependence List section, then the class code in the Factor List section. Next, select the Plot button so that a display appears. Click Select the Continue button, then click OK. If the Levenet statistic value is lebih besar dari 0,05, it can be said that data variant is homogeneous, vice versa. As additional information, Levenet test is method of testing homogeneity of variant which is almost the same as the Berlet test. The difference is the data testing using Leibniz test does not have to be normally distributed, but the data must be continuous or ongoing. Berlet test. The characteristic of Berlet test is that the use to test the homogeneity of variance of more than two groups of data. For example, we want to measure student independence from their different data group, namely student who live with their parents, student who will in boarding house, and student who live with relatives. The cancellation steps are reported by Nuryadi et al. Calculate the degree of freedom data for each group and the variance S for each group. Calculate the magnitude of like S2 for each group and the magnitude of data. Like S2 for each group. After that, calculate the combined variance value of all groups. The B value, Berkeley value, and the X2 value. After the calculate chi-square value is obtained, the chi-square value is compared by with the chi-square table. Homogeneity criteria are determined if the calculate chi-square value table chi-square. Important point of homogeneity test. Homogeneity test is a process to ensure that one or popular population group to be measured have a similar or homogeneous level of differentiality. The main purpose of the homogeneity test is to ensure the validity of the measurement results and fulfill the requirements before carrying out other statistical tests such as the t-test and ANOVA. Homogeneity tests are important in research to compare variance or difference between population groups. For example, if you want to compare stress level between male employees and female employees, it is necessary to carry out a homogeneity test to ensure that the two groups are homogeneous in terms of stress variability. One method that is often used to test homogeneity is Levin test. This method tests the difference in variance between two groups of data and provides a significant value p-value. If the p-value is greater than 0,0, then the data group can be considered homogeneous. If the p-value is less than 0,05, then the data group is considered heterogeneous. Okay, that's all the explanation for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.